Hey guys, Omarete Vilato here, the basement production. As you can see, today project gonna be removing this old lamp and replacing it with a new one that I'm gonna show it to you guys in a little while. Disclaimer: I am not an electrician. I am not a professional contractor. I'm just a DIYer who like to do stuff around the house. I think it's very straightforward, very simple. So without no further delay, let's get to it. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Hopefully you will like it. Hopefully you will share the video, like the video, comment on it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Omarete Vilato, the basement production. Thank you for watching. Let's get cracking. I'm gonna try to remove this little piece. This little screw from here. I don't think it's nothing to it. I'm gonna try to remove it. Very straightforward, you know. Before I continue, I forgot to mention one very important step. Sorry. Make sure that the current is off. How you know? I got my tester over here to make sure that it's off. Put it correctly? Right here. Okay. Make sure that you test the current. Make sure it says off. Otherwise, you're gonna have the shock of your life. If you don't know where to go to the breaker downstairs, turn off the switch, test it out. It's a little bit back and forth, but test it out. Or see if you have a switch inside the house where you can turn off the switch and before you start touching any cable. That's my advice to you. So let's continue. As you can see, it had, let me see if I could show you, I could show it better to you guys. I'm gonna take the chance and leave it hanging. If you could see it, it has a black cable, that means that's the hot. And the neutral cable is the white, and I'm touching it, taking the chance, but that's the ground, nothing to it. How I'm gonna test it? I'm gonna use my tester over here.
What's up? How you feeling?
How you doing, Drew?
All right.
As you can see, guys, I'm testing with my tester. And if you can see it, let me flip it. That's the name of it. If you want to buy it, I think it's probably backwards. So right now, let me see. This is supposed to turn green. If it turn red like this, that means it's hot. If it's green, that means it's good. Right now it says blue. Let me see. Right now it's green, so I mean we're good in that department. So I'm gonna take this cap out. I'm gonna take it out. You can see it. That's the hot, and it's the neutral. I'm gonna take it out. Hopefully we are good there. Let me see. Let me try it again. Like I said, I'm not an electrician. Let me give it a try. Let's take this off. I took this off. There's nothing happened. That's still hot. As you can see, I'm removing it. I'm trying to remove this cable from here. So just for me, I gotta take this out of here. Move this to the side. I don't want this stuff to crack on me. So what I'm gonna do is, this is how cool. Bring this out. Okay, there we go. One more thing, guys. Make sure you have the necessary tools when you're doing this stuff, because otherwise it's not gonna work. Make sure you have the necessary tool, guys. There we go. I just removed the lamp out. I'm gonna put a new one. I'm gonna take a break. I come back. I'm gonna reassess and see what could be done. Let me see what happened. Okay, that's good. That's good. You got it. Okay, guys, you can see I removed the lamp, the old lamp that was there. This is the neutral. This is the, right now it's off. This is the neutral, and this is the hot. The black one is the hot, and the white one is the neutral. Okay, I'm gonna remove this because I don't know if I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna see what I need there. I'm gonna look and see before I put the other lamp, before I connect the other lamp. So stay tuned for more, guys. Like I said to you, I'm going to remove. Let me expand a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to remove this old bracket right here. If I want to use the new one, I want to use the thing that came with the. I want to use the new bracket. See, I'm going to use this bracket right here. So I'm going to see how it goes. How we're going to do it, we're going to do it like this. Nice and simple. It has, this stuff has, I don't know if you could see it. Let me make sure like this. This stuff has this little nut over here. I don't know if you could see it. I'm gonna put it like this. I'm gonna replace this. I'm gonna replace that. Watch this, guy. This is very straightforward, very simple stuff. It's nothing to it. This is very straightforward, guys. Okay, let me hold the lamp. I don't want to drop it. There we go. See? See this? This is the new bracket. I'm gonna go over here like this. I want to see how I'm gonna make it nice and neat. There you go, beautiful. Looking sharp, look beautiful. I'm gonna have to use those same old screw, unfortunately, because I don't have new ones. It's no big deal. I'm gonna use the same one. Like I said, don't be afraid to do anything. This is everything is straightforward, everything is simple stuff. Make sure it's straight. I want you guys to see what I'm doing. I want you guys to see everything that I'm doing over here. Okay? That's the idea. Okay? It's supposed to be a very straightforward stuff, you know, there's nothing to it. Let me see if I can see this stuff. I hardly can see it. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Super tight. Nothing to it, guys. Now we're going to bring the cable over here. See the cable? I don't know if you could see that little screw over here. That little screw is for the ground. So what we're going to do is we're going to do it like this. Okay? That's where we attach the ground. That's for that cable right there. What we do is we go like this, make it like a little hook. See, like a little nice hook, and we connect it right here. Nice and simple. Now we're gonna do it like this. Let me not be connected yet. Let me prepare myself. This stuff came with this. So it's great that came with that. Oh, you have the new screws. I'm gonna use the new screws because, you know what? I'm gonna use the new screws that came with it because I want to put everything brand new. Okay, guys, unfortunately, I couldn't put the new screws because the hole was a little bit, the screw was a little bit bigger than the hole. So I'm gonna go with the old screws. I don't want to do this, but I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna pull out the top. So follow me, guys. Follow me. Follow me. Okay, as you can see, let me expand it so you can see a little bit better. As you can see, I already attached the neutral with the neutral. Move the camera around. I don't know if you can see it. The hot with the hot. And what you might call it, and the ground, I attach it to the correct location, to the correct screw, which is a screw painted in green. So now I'm gonna hide the cable behind the wall where it's supposed to go, and we should be ready to go. But before I do that, I'm gonna put some electrical tape. Doesn't hurt. Doesn't hurt. Let me see. This stuff is a sensor. I don't know what the heck this is. Yeah, I think this stuff is sensor, so doesn't hurt. Let's give it a try. For security, for a little bit more added security, you know. Whoa, whoa, stay still. Where you going? You gotta be careful, guys. You gotta be careful. Let me secure it in one side first, in case something happens, you know. There we go. Let me secure that first. And put the tape around it. I don't know if you can see it. Well, this is just basic procedure, you know. Cover your wires. Cover it up, and you'll be fine. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I'm just adding tape in there. Let me expand this stuff so you can see what I'm doing. You see, I just added electrical tape. It's just to secure the wire, you know, just to make it look nice. So I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm gonna show it to you guys because you already know what I'm talking about. So stay tuned for more. Guys, there you have it. The lamp is already installed. It's already ready to go. Everything look beautiful, everything look good. Go ahead on in. So there you have it. It look good. Once again, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, support the channel so I could continue providing you with contents like this one and many more. Once again, thank you for watching. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. Don't forget to leave your comment down below. Don't forget, I'm going to say it one more time, to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so every single video that I make go directly to you, okay? Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, this video was not how to. It was not a how to do something. It was just me showing it how easy it is to do stuff around your house. Nothing to it. Once again, thank you for watching. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. We had a camera accident, guys. The whole thing flipped out, but we was able to manage. Please do so. Support the channel so I could please